So I figured out the best way to target older listings to send offers on without having to manually do it. There is a bit of a manual process, but the absolute best way to sort your inventory so you can target particular items to do more aggressive sales, to target for higher promoted listings, to target for best offers at a certain rate is the following. I have split up my inventory into four categories. Other, which is just, it gets no category. So if you have no store category, everything gets added to other. After 30 days, between 30 and 60 days, it goes into a category called sale event. Then 60 to 90 days. So anywhere from, yeah, is that how I've been doing it? Yes. 60 to 90 days, it goes into the clearance. And then over 3 months or over 90 days, it goes into a final clearance event. Now, what I did was I just went through and maybe you could do this every week or every other week, and it's easy to maintain once you set it up for the first time. I went through my entire store. I have over how many listings? It doesn't say, over 6,000 listings, 7,000 listings. It took me 2 or 3 hours. That was with being very careful. Going forward, I think it might only take maybe an hour a week of maintenance, but it is very worth it. So what I'm doing is basically for the sale event, everything gets a 5% sale event. Then it gets promoted listing. So everything just starts off with a 2.1% promoted listing. In the sale event, it goes to 3.1%. Also, the sale event, if you buy more than one item, you get a 10% discount. So not only do I have a sale event, I also have a order discount. So they would stack. Then what I could do is I could target the sale event. So any items over 30 days. Basically here, I have three categories selected. I have these three categories. So basically it selects anything in my store that's been listed for over 30 days. Those items now I could target for best offer because I don't want to send best offer on newer items. I only want to send best offer on older items. And you could select best offer and go through manually with the start date and do that. But this keeps it organized, clear, and concise. And I really love it. So I've been able to do that. The other thing, so for clearance, what I've been doing, I literally just started this, so I'll report back and tell you how it went. But for clearance, we do a 10% discount. Oh no, 15% sale event. And if you buy more than one item, you get a 50% discount on your order. So up to 30% off for everything. So over here, you can get up to 15% off. Over here, you can get up to 30% off if you buy bulk items. Now, our final clearance event is it's a 30% sale discount. So these have been sitting for over 3 months. You get 30% off. It crosses out the price and it puts 30% off price. On top of that, buy two, get one free, which is better than a 33% off discount or a 30% off discount. It's buy two, get one free. It promotes, I want this stuff moved, buy multiple of them. Now, what I have set up here, everything charges shipping. I used to have everything free shipping. Now everything is shipping, and I only have three shipping categories. One is small. So if it's basically under a pound, you get a flat $4.99 shipping fee. If it's over a pound, you get a flat $8.99 shipping fee. And if it's a card or in a standard card envelope, you get a flat 59-cent fee. I know it costs 69 cents, but 59 cents seems to work well for me. And any of these may be adjusted. I might do $8.99 to $9.99. I could do $4.99 to $3 or $5.99, but pretty much that is how it goes. Now, the across the board from the day it's listed, doesn't matter how long it's listed, no matter how many items you buy from our store, if it's within the same order, you get a max $8.99 shipping charge, and that is also I don't know if that's an order discount or that's actually a shipping discount. So you have like order discount, you have a sale event, and then you have a shipping discount. And a lot of these stack. So each one stacks individually. So no matter where they buy, they'll get an $8.99 shipping charge. So that actually really promotes a lot of multiple orders, people who want to save on shipping. So instead of buying 2 items at $9.99 and $9.99 with free shipping, that's $20, and maybe you get a 15% discount, so you're paying $17 or $18. Now, if those items are both $4.99 with $4.99 and $4.99 shipping, so that equals the same amount, you're spending $10 and now you get that shipping discount for $19. You feel like you got a better deal, and we're making the same amount of money, if not a little bit more. And so part of it's a psychological thing, and the other part is actually, once you scale that up, let's say you do 3 and 4 and 5 items, the more you get, the more you actually save, and we protect our margins, right? So we don't go out of business, and I believe, rather than a discount, which we're stacking as well for things that are older, you could really move sales. I'll show you the traffic at some point. Literally, I changed everything from free shipping to I basically added a $4.99 shipping and reduced the price by $5, so everything still ended in 99 cents. And let me tell you, the traffic doubled. The traffic doubled, the sales doubled, everything doubled. It was really cool. Stay tuned for another video like that. But this is really cool. So let me. So basically, all I did was I selected all of our categories, and then now offers, send offers eligible. So now I could be aggressive with the offers I send. Now, I'm not going to send offers right now because I just did this sale. I want to see how the sale works for a couple of days. But then I could go and select offers. I could even basically do extremely aggressive offers for things that are over 90 days. And now, and as the thing is, once I have all these sale events set up and all these order discounts set up, all I got to do is go to an item, bring it into a new category. It'll automatically apply all these discounts. Also, it'll help me to generate cash flow, because it's like, I don't want to cheap sell something that was just listed. No, this has been listed for over 90 days. I just want my money back, right? And I could be extremely aggressive with my sales here. So yeah, that's basically it. Very, very cool. I think one of the best ways to organize your eBay inventory and move slow and just bad inventory or slow moving inventory, right? And you can adjust this accordingly, right? So feel free to take anything that I've said in this video and add your little spin, add your little tweak. A lot of this was my own thoughts filtered through ChatGPT, going back and forth, everything with the caveat of I want to promote multiple sales, I want to protect my margins, and I want to grow to, X million dollars and scale. What is the best way to do that? And I was basically going back and forth, and it gave me some general rules, and I'm like, I wouldn't have thought of this myself. So that's why leveraging AI in that kind of a way to filter your thoughts and bounce back and forth can go a long way. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'm back, baby. Hopefully we make some videos for you. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.